How's it going, everyone? Whiskey and I just over here sitting here doing our laundry today. Of course, you may hear the vehicle running. Another problem I just ran into is my battery's shot. Of course, the sheriff's department still has all my property ever since August 26th. Still refuses to give it back. Still in possession of stolen property. Sheriff's office, right? And some of that property is over 60 grand's worth of my tools that's preventing me from getting a certain job I tried to get that pay good for me. And of course they know this, and we'll get into some of what's really going on there a little bit later, but they still have all my property, don't they, Whiskey? Still have all our property, don't they? Yeah. And of course, and part of that property is my tools that I would need to work on this vehicle. And I have an extra battery, or at least did have, in my garage. And I need that battery because this battery ain't working. So now I gotta leave the vehicle running all this time, waste all my gas while I'm waiting for my laundry to get done. But I'll take a look over here and show you what we just find.
About me. When I tell you something, I mean it. I'm a man of my word. So, 10,000. Okay? Commercial surety or 10% thereof. You can't post bond? See ya.
Are you a public official? The record that knows Jim Murray does not want to face the public for our concerns.
My name is Lawrence Steele. I'm an enemy of this state. I invite you, as I take a look and show you the corruption in this city, the lives ruined, and the people behind it.
Because you failed to abide by the rules, now you put some money up. Oh, see, we have record. It's all on record. Everything we're saying right now is on record. Case number CRV 211129. Kyle, this is Lawrence Steele.
Over here is right beside the laundromat where I go here is Winthrop Terrace Apartments, right? And Whiskey was raising some hell. He needed to go out, so we took a little walk. And what do I find right here? I don't know if you can see it over there. What do we got there? A sheriff's vehicle. Now, does a deputy live here? Or is he on his lunch break having an affair over here with somebody? I don't know, but we need to find out. We need to find out where all my stolen property is. Now, they'll probably try to run me out of here, right? Of course. But this is what we have here. What car do we have here? Car number 16 here at Winthrop Terrace Apartments. I don't know if anyone thinks I should just grab that vehicle and go, because as we are aware that there's no such thing of stolen property here in Defiance County, according to the sheriff himself, Doug Engel. Look at that. In God we trust. Well, that's blasphemy, because if you look at Doug Engel's actions, clearly He is not. Do you know if sheriff lives over here or not? That live here? No kidding.
One lives right here. One lives over there upstairs.
Oh, good. That's
Top
good to
floor
know.
apartment.
These assholes stole my property in August and refused. Oh, I see the other car there. Okay, good,
And
good.
then, okay, there's one here, one over there upstairs at the end of the corner. And then there was one living all the way down there. There was a sheriff living down there too.
No kidding.
But I don't know if he moved out or not.
Huh.
I ain't seen him, but
They must get some kind of good deal to live here or something.
I don't know.
Probably makes you guys nervous seeing these guys around, huh? I mean,
makes me.
yeah. These guys are criminals. They truly are. They came to my house, gun, all full force, guns pulled out, threw me out of my house, and every bit of my property. They still have it, and they won't give it back to me.
What? Jesus.
I was foreclosed on, of course, but it all started from a case where Deputy Little of the Sheriff's Department, I think maybe he was messing around with my ex-girlfriend, and he threw me in jail, accused me of domestic violence, and on his own paperwork admitted there was no domestic violence, but still threw me in jail for it. So when I threatened to sue them, I went and got a lawyer, and I didn't know my lawyer out of Bryan was working with these guys. And when I threatened to sue them, suddenly I lost my job over there at Hornish Brothers. Of course, Hornish Brothers heavily connected to the Sheriff's Department, and one of their managing members is a member of the Sheriff's Department.
Right.
So I've been filming everything. Every time I see them, I've been flipping them off, been driving around with expired tag. But
Don't say it too loud.
no, I finally got it straightened out. But for a while there, I was like, they was afraid to pull me over because they knew every time I seen them, I was throwing them up on camera.
But yeah, there was one of those car down there, but I don't know if he moved out or not, because I ain't seen him there.
Huh?
I ain't seen the sheriff car sitting down there or nothing, so I don't know. Unless he parks it somewhere else. Drives his regular vehicle.
Right.
I don't know.
Maybe afraid people will know. I'm gonna keep an eye on these guys. I wonder how they like if I just pound on their door and yank them out of their house and take all their property and tell them they can't have it. I was over here doing some laundry and I looked over. I said, "What's that doing over here?"
Yeah, there's one there, and there's one that was over there across the way upstairs at the end.
I see the car now. I didn't see that one. I'm gonna have to get that one on here too.
Yeah, I live upstairs. I can see everything.
Oh, right on, right on.
Hey, I'm going to have a cold beer. You want a cold beer?
No, I'm good. As soon as I get my laundry done, I gotta get some stuff taken care of.
Is that your dog over there?
Yeah.
What kind of dog is that?
He's a husky shepherd mix.
I was going to say, he looked more like a shepherd than he did a husky.
Yeah, he's got a few of the characteristics of the husky. His tail has fluffy like the husky, but otherwise he holds on to a lot of the shepherd, the way he acts and stuff.
I got a full-blooded Jack Russell.
Oh, right on.
Full-blooded by a fiance about 6.5 years ago. Her son and his wife went and got him out of the animal shelter, got her, and she's full-blooded, and she's been fixed and everything. And I woke up one morning about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, take a piss, come out, found her dead.
Oh, crap.
Blood clot hit her heart. We was going to get married the month before that. I had almost everything set. I got up, found her dead.
Oh, man. Oh, wow. Sorry to hear that.
I ain't been with a chick since. Well, I've been with a couple ho-hos.
right. That's what most of them seem to be anymore.
Out there.
No.
I don't care where you go. Everybody says, you the bar.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna find nothing up there but fucking bunch of crabs and everything.
Yeah, especially these days, I'm telling you, it's...
My sister, she went to church. She said, I said, no, that ain't for me. You know, I ain't going to church just to find a woman.
Right. Oh, you got beat on you.
My neighbor, we lived out there in Paulding County. And my neighbor, Charlie, his name was Charlie Blair. He's a sheriff. I don't know if he's deputy or full sheriff, you know. He goes, Arnie, if you ever looking for a woman, you go to a laundromat. That's the best place to find one. I said, what?
Well, not on Thursdays. There ain't none in there.
No, Friday and Saturdays, that place is fucking packed.
Yeah, that's why I hear that it's hard to
walls.
get in there, yeah.
You can't get no Porsche or nothing.
Right, that's why I hear. That's why I tried to get there this morning.
Shit, like last Friday and Saturday, man, there's probably about 25, 30 people in there. They had about, each one of them had a couple kids with them. I mean, you couldn't even get in there, nothing. So I said, fuck it. I got clean clothes, but I wasn't gonna go fight with all that shit.
Yeah, that's the way I am. I'll wait it out if I got to, you know, wait till wear my clothes an extra day if I got to or something, you know.
So where you living at now? You got places to live?
I just stay in my truck. It ain't, you know, yeah, man, I had a real nice house out there, out in the, outside of the city limits. It wasn't bothering nobody.
Huh.
And I'm like, because they still held, the day they pulled me, the next day I got out of jail, they pulled me over and said, I was down at my brother's house, which is down the road from my house,
right,
and accused me of being in my house. And they took, I had a bag of clothes, just a couple of shirts, a couple pairs of pants in my truck, and they took those from me and said that was proof I was in my house. I was like, first of all, it's my house. Why wouldn't them clothes had come from there? Of course it did, right? But I was like, I wasn't in that house that day, and they took them, and to this day, they never gave those clothes back. And then they showed up and took the rest of my shit. And the sheriff tells me, I said, hey, he says, oh, well, you got to call the people that, the bank, the people that's working for the bank that have the property now, and they'll give you your property back, your personal items back. I said, I did call them and they're ignoring me, so I want to report this stuff stolen. Oh, it's not stolen. He said, well, if I did that to somebody else, it'd be sure enough stolen. Yeah.
Yeah, I live by myself. I've lived by myself since my fiance passed away. Got my dog and my cat. I inherited. But, and she's a girl. She's a good watchdog, though.
Yeah.
She won't fuck with you.
It's hard when you get attached to them. They're just like a best friend, just like
She's on a little tiny baby pup when her daughter, her son and his wife got her. Out the animal shelter. She was a little tiny. She full-blooded. She's been fixed. I'll tell you what. She's got a temper. She loves women. But guys, she don't even fucking like me. I'm telling you. And I'm the one that's fucking raising her.
Well, the good thing about that is a dog like that lets you know if someone's around you that you can't trust.
Right.
You know?
Oh, yeah, she's a good guard dog.
Right.
Oh, man, she don't give a fuck. She'll go up and bite you.
Right on.
Hey, that's her turf.
Well, I better make my round over here and get that one on camera and then make my way back to my laundry. Somebody will go in there and take it. I won't have no more clothes left, the way my luck goes.
Well, have a good day, bud.
Yeah, you too. Nice meeting you. My name's Larry.
My name's Arnie.
Arnie, right on. Have a good day, man.
Yeah, you too, man. I live up here by myself, so anytime you want to stop in.
Oh, right on. We're cool. Now we have car number 17. Well, they're not here having affairs, I guess, because it turns out that they are living here. This guy says, and maybe even one more. But we're going to get these on camera, and maybe they'll look outside and get paranoid. Maybe I should find out which apartment they live in, go pound on the door and yank them out of their house, and then take over all their stuff, because, as I said, nothing's stolen here. Nothing's stolen, right? Anyway, I'm not trying to... Constitution. But anyways, I'm not trying to put this apartment place on, you know, this ain't... So I get out of here. But now we know where at least 2 of these sheriffs live. And the sheriff's office is hiring. Anybody looking for a job? I replied to their Facebook post that said they're hiring, that I'd be happy to apply for the position if I could talk myself into lowering my moral standards to being a criminal, you know. I can't do it. I don't know about you guys. I wouldn't be able to live with myself. I don't know how any of them do. But we met a new friend here, invited me over for some beers. I'm not gonna do that today. But anyway. See ya.